Google Drive is one of the most popular cloud storage services in the world, and it's an essential tool for beginners who want to store, organize, and access files from anywhere. At its core, Google Drive allows you to upload files like documents, photos, and videos and keep them safe in the cloud. This means you don't have to rely on a single device, and you can access your files from your computer, phone, or tablet anytime, anywhere. One of the biggest advantages of Google Drive is its integration with Google Workspace apps. You can create documents in Google Docs, spreadsheets in Google Sheets, presentations in Google Slides, and keep them all organized in Drive. Sharing files is simple. You can choose whether someone can view, comment, or edit a file. This makes collaboration easy, whether you're working with colleagues, classmates, or friends. Using the @mention feature in comments helps you notify people directly, so communication stays smooth without needing to switch to email or messaging apps. Google Drive also makes finding files easy with its powerful search feature. You can search by file name, type, owner, or even keywords within documents. Organizing files is straightforward too. You can create folders, color code them, and start frequently used documents to access them quickly. For beginners, it's important to remember that organizing files properly from the start saves time and avoids frustration later. Another helpful feature is version history. Google Drive automatically saves previous versions of your files, so you can recover an earlier version if needed. You can also access files offline on your mobile device by enabling offline mode, which is perfect for working on the go or when internet access is limited. Additionally, Google Drive allows you to integrate with other apps like Slack, Zoom, or Trello, making it easier to collaborate and automate tasks. By understanding these basic features, beginners can make the most out of Google Drive, keeping their files safe, organized, and accessible at all times. It's not just storage, it's a powerful tool to boost productivity and collaboration. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech tips, Google Workspace tutorials, and productivity hacks.